trees. First sentence, I think man saw the moon with a telescope. They have given a grammar, they have given a rule, and they have given the probability, and they have given 2 types of trees, and they have told you how to calculate it. Another last example, what is that? Can anyone note it down? What is the last? One more example. Sentence having 2 trees. Ambiguities they have shown, and probability shows they have shown, and they have multiplied all the probabilities and show which is highest. Nobody has noted down?
No.
No, okay, fine. So generally this probability, so probability will be given, you construct CKY algorithm, or if they ask top down parsing or bottom up parsing, you construct that parse tree, then you apply this probability. See, S is 1.0 means for S start node, you write it as 1.0, like that probability for each and every rule in the tree, you write the probability and multiply those for the first tree. And like that, simply you apply the probability for the next tree and you multiply the probabilities, and whichever has the highest probability, you conclude that this tree is more probable than this parse tree 1 is more probable than parse tree 2 because it has the highest probability. What is the overall probability for the given tree, given sentence means what you have to do?
Sum of the parse tree
probabilities. Very good. Sum of the parse tree probabilities you have to do it. Okay, that's why that they have discussed after this, a small topic called PCFG. So till here is your syntax chapter. Okay, next chapter is a semantics that we will discuss in the next class. So in syntax we will be learning what is a grammar, how to construct a tree for a given grammar using top down approach, what is bottom up approach, and because of the issues in top down and bottom up approach, we are going for CKY algorithm. For CKY algorithm, how to normalize the grammar using Chomsky normal form. Once you normalized a grammar, how to construct a parse tree using CKY algorithm. After constructing a parse tree, which you have to find if there is ambiguity in the parse tree is there or not, you have to find out. If there is an ambiguity and if the probability is given in your question, then you have to find out which is the most probable parse tree for the given sentence based on the given grammar. So your question will be, a grammar will be given, sentence will be given, sometimes probability will be given. Okay, your first thing what you have to do, check if the question is CKY algorithm, check whether the given grammar is in a CNF. They will give it as CNF. Don't think what is CNF. It's a Chomsky normal form. Okay, convert the given grammar. Sometimes the grammar will be in CNF. Don't convert again something and all. Don't do that. Okay, so check whether it is CNF. It passes CNF or not. If it passes, construct a table, then draw the tree. Then they may ask whether check the sentence is grammatical. Yes, if you can able to derive a single parse tree, then the sentence is grammatical for the given grammar. Then they may ask whether the sentence is ambiguous. If ambiguous, fine. Yes, if you have more than one yes, then the given grammar is ambiguous, and justify why, because I can have a multiple meaning for the given sentence, representation for the given sentence. Okay, so what is the different representation based on the tree? You can explain either this way or that way. Okay, then they may ask whether the given which is more probabilistic tree than which is a more probabilistic parse tree in the given for the given grammar for the given sentence. So if the probability is given, then you use it. Otherwise, this question will not be asked. Okay, or in what is probabilistic PCFG? Why we need PCFG? Okay, if there is CFG is there, compare CFG and PCFG. Like that they may ask. Okay, so today I'll share few questions on CKY algorithm. You can work it out and you can check how it works. Okay, so yesterday we have seen that problem. Have you all completed the problem? What is that problem? Man, a pilot likes flying planes. Have you all completed that? Yesterday after that video, I also explained box by box how to do it. Have you all completed? From the table, you can draw the tree. Okay, you can make up the tree from the table. Okay, so in the box itself, instead of writing DT, you can write the rule also there. In that video, they have written the rule, right? Yes or no? So that it is easy for you to understand. Can you all able to make out what I am saying? Understand what I am saying? In that box, yes, instead of writing only DET, DET gives A, like that you write DET also. Down in bracket, you write the rules also. Okay, the particular rule, and you give x01, x02. And when you are giving in your exams, please listen carefully. If this question is asked in your exam, simply if you fill the table alone, marks will not be given. If it's a 10-mark question, only 5 marks will be given. Each box you have to take down, you have to write x01 is equal to. So for x01, the variable is a. For a, it is determiner gives a. So I am writing in that box x01 is equal to det. Similarly, x02, like that, each and every box comparison you have to take. So first diagonal level, one comparison. Second diagonal level, you will be comparing with the left hand side and with the down. Okay, when the third level comes, two things you will be comparing. So everything explanation properly, you have to finally how you are concluding dash or something in that box, you have to give a proper explanation down for each and everything. Then you have to fill the box. If you are only filling the box, marks will not be given. Okay, so box should be there, properly values has to be written and it has to be labeled with 0, 1, 2, 3, x01, x02. Then down for x01 explanation you put it x01, x02, x12, x22, like that. Each and how many boxes you have, each and every box you have to explain. Finally, what you have achieved there, you put a box, you underline that value and you fill that value in the table. So if you filled some value in the some particular box, that explanation has to be given clearly at the bottom by giving that label x01. Start with x01, how you got the dash or something. For x02, how you got some value, like that. Give a proper explanation. Simply by seeing if you fill the table, marks will not be given. And finally, draw the tree. And finally, you conclude whatever is asked in the question. Is that fine? So in that way, you have to solve this question now. Okay, simply by seeing the yesterday I showed simply by seeing the table. In that video, he has explained by writing in the side how it is. Like that, you have to explain clearly each and everything box how you achieved. And whatever value in the explanation you are getting, you underline that. For x02, if it is dash means dash you underline. That dash you fill it there. So that it is easy for me to compare. Oh, you are given dash, for that explanation is down. Your explanation is correct. For every box, I will give marks. Okay, so I'll share the screen, students. I'll have some 2-3 problems. Today you can solve the problems. For tomorrow's class, we will start that's all in syntax part. Tomorrow's class, we will start with semantics. So from here, CKY algorithm onwards, you will be having for your quiz. Quiz dates, I'll announce you later. I am telling portions for quiz. Okay. It will be next week. Next week, 3 days is there that I'll finish semantics part. After that, next week, Thursday, you may have your quiz. This month is the last working day, right? This month, when is your last working day? Anyone knows when is your last working day?
Maybe 30th.
30th. Okay. So 1 week
Maybe,
before I want.
I'm not sure that.
No, that is the thing. It is given in the calendar of events. And your NSEM exam starts from May 1st week, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I think 30th is the last working day. That's what we have discussed in the college yesterday. So 1 week before I want to finish off your quiz 3 so that we can put up your internals, everything. Okay. So this week, what I am taking, next week, 3 hours, what I am taking, next week, Thursday, we will have quiz. Okay. Rough date. Because next week, that Wednesday, I think it's a holiday, 14th, April 14th. 15th or 16th, you may have quiz. 15th, is it possible for everyone? If anybody has planned something, it's a long holiday because Tuesday and Wednesday, I think it's a holiday. Can we have it on Thursday or can we have it on Friday?
Friday.
What, Abhishek? Somebody is telling something I can't able to hear. One at a time.
I will let you know.
Thursday.
Maybe 1 or 2 days.
You decide and let me know that Thursday or Friday so that I can correct and I can finish off next week. By Thursday or Friday, I can put up your internals and those semester also I have to conduct something. So everything I have to finalize. Okay. So last minute, I don't want to do hurry. Okay. Portions all only semantics is left over now. Okay. Okay. So not next week fully, that 15th or 16th, you decide and tell me. Okay. Thursday or Friday. So that accordingly we'll decide and tell us. Okay. So I'll share the screen, students, now. Questions are there. You solve each and every question the way which I have told. For every question, you have to draw the past tree. The questions are not given. See, can you all able to see the screen? Yes
Not
or
yet,
no? Still not loading.
No,
No, it's in the loading screen.
Okay. Anybody got it? It got stuck here. Now,
No, ma'am.
okay, it is in a staring state only. Still, you didn't get it. Nobody got it.
I can see it,
Came,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I can. It's came.
Word file. You can able to see.
Yes.
Yes. See, I will explain the questions. Then later on, you can start doing it. Okay. The first question, don't read the top one. Okay. This I have given in T2 for top-down parsing. The same question I am asking in CKY. All the questions you have to do in CKY algorithm. Okay. For the first question, no, don't do top-down parsing. You have to use CKY algorithm. For all the questions, make a note. Sentence is given. Grammar is given. The first thing you have to use a CKY algorithm to draw the table. Second one, draw the parse tree. Third one, check whether the given sentence is grammatical or not. Fourth one, check whether is the given sentence is ambiguous. If ambiguous, justify by showing the parse trees. Please make a note of all the questions. First question, using CKY algorithm. Use CKY algorithm for the given grammar for the given sentence and draw the table. Second question, check whether the given sentence is grammatical or not. Second question, draw the parse tree. Third question, check whether the given sentence is grammatical or not. Fourth one, check whether the given sentence is ambiguous. Okay, so the 4 questions you have to do for if ambiguous, justify by showing different parse trees. What are the different ways a sentence can be interpreted? Okay, so first question, the sentence is kite flies like a sparrow. Flies, F-L-I-E-S. This S is cut here. Kite flies like a sparrow. And the grammar is this one. Okay. For the second question, this is the grammar. And the sentence is book the flight through hosted. This grammar already we have seen, right? Can you all able to make out where this grammar is, where we have seen this grammar? This is grammar already, whether we have seen this or not. Yes or no? Don't write anything. It will be there. I'll share it in the file section. Look into this screen and tell me where you have seen this grammar.
I'm converting to Chomsky normal form.
Very good. For converting into Chomsky normal form, I showed one example grammar, right? Where we have more than 2 terminal non-terminals on the right hand side. So that's the same grammar I have taken. And for that, I have the sentences book the flight through hosted. Okay. Third one, this grammar is given and the sentence is we buy drinks with milk. And fourth one, I have given one grammar and the sentence is given. For all the 4 things, I want the 4 questions to be solved. Okay. Can I share this in your file section?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Otherwise, I can post it here in this also here. Wait. So that I no need to share it again. Two minutes, students. I'll post it here. Check whether you got it or not. I have posted not in file section here itself in the chat section, meeting chat.
We got it, ma'am.
Okay, you can start solving it one after the other. Okay. If anyone has solved, you can post it in the chat section so that others also can check your answers, comparisons. Is fine? Whoever is finishing fast, you can post it. It is not that Vishnu has to post or Chaturi has to post. Anyone. Whoever has finished, even if it is wrong, fine. We can make out what mistakes so that others will not make the same mistake. Have you all started doing that? Can I stop sharing the screen, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please don't waste your time. 4 problems. Try to finish it off. But I want step by step return down. Don't only fill. By seeing you can fill the table. Finish it off fast. I don't want to do that. Same thing you will do in the exams also. I'll give one example for PCFG also to solve it. To do that, by the time I'll find out some examples and give it to you. Students, I am posting one more question in the chat window. Can you all able to see that? I have posted. Nobody is responding. Can you able to
Yes,
hear?
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
After doing first problem, try to solve this. The questions will be like this. Please look into that question once. Consider the following grammar and lexicon. Okay. So they have given the grammar and they have given the, what they have given extra here?
Probabilities.
Probabilities is given. Very good. So see, the questions will be like this. Each rule is associated with probability. Use CKY algorithm to find the pass tree for the sentence astronomers saw stars with eyes. If multiple pass trees are formed, find the most probable pass tree using the probability value associated with each rule. Okay, so I want you all to do this question first. Okay, after you have started with first question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, after doing first question, do this as a second question, then start move to the third question. Second question, which is already there in that example 5. Okay. Have you all noted down? First question, the kite flies like a sparrow. Second question is this one. Then start doing the remaining questions in that word 5. Is that fine? Anyone completed first question can share your, can post it here, your answers. We can check it out. But for each question, all 4 things should be there. Anyone done with first one? No one has completed still. Jasti, Sriharsh, what you're doing? Can you explain? Jasti, Sriharsh, Jeet. Harish is playing around here. Joining, leaving. Jeet, Santosh, Jeevish, Jyotsna, Vashita. Bhaskara Sairam. Venkata Ajay. Students, can you all able to hear me? I am calling the names.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody is responding. Where the people are not there. I will remove you from Teams now. Whoever I am calling, I am removing you from Teams. I will not add you in Teams until a proper explanation is given. Okay, I am going to remove now. You please inform your students to join. If they are not responding, whoever I have called, if they Jeet, everyone who is not responding, Jeevish, Jyotsna, all those students who I am calling, if they are not responding, I note down their names. I am going to, after this class, I am going to remove from Teams. That's all. I will not add their names. Even if they are not doing fine, at least they should respond. Chandramolika. Chandramolika.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
No, little louder, ma. My sound, can you all able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Little louder then. Yeah. Which one you are doing? First one?
Yes, ma'am. I'm filling the table.
Completed the table?
No, ma'am. I'm just filling it.
Okay. Okay, fine. Do it. Sai Sujit. Sai Sujit. So your names are also recorded. Later on, you cannot tell that, ma'am, you have not called my name or something. I am going to remove after this class. I don't want this many strength also. Let them go and take some other subject. Not for everyone, there will not be a network issue, right? Chandramolika. Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Chandramolika, I called you. Okay. Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Which
ma'am.
one you are doing?
I'm doing the first one, ma'am.
Completed.
No, ma'am. I'm doing the table. I'm filling the table, ma'am.
Okay. Finish it off.
Yes, ma'am.
Maruti Reddy. Srinivasa Subramanya.
I'm
Maruti Reddy is not there. Srinivasa, what you are doing now, Harshit?
doing table, first one.
Only first one only you are doing. Okay,
Yes,
do
ma'am.
it fast.
Okay.
Meghana Rao. Meghana Rao. Meghana Rao. Navya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm still doing the first one.
You can able to do it. You know the logic how to do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ah,
sorry, ma'am, I cut the call by mistake.
why? When I am calling where you are not there in the call.
Ma'am, I was here only, but I cut the call instead.
Which
by
one you are
mistake.
doing? Can you able to do the table? Do you know how to do the table?
Yes, ma'am, I'm trying.
Okay. Sai Sushma. Sai Sushma. Ganesh Atvik. Ganesh Atvik. Ganesh Atvik. Why you people have joined and left like this? Today I'm going to take seriously. These people will not be allowed for tomorrow without proper explanation. Even if you are not doing fine, when I call, at least you should respond yes or no, right? Krishna Pranav.
Yes,
Rama
ma'am.
Krishna Pranav.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah. I can. Which one you are doing? First one table is done.
Almost done, ma'am.
Okay. Once you finish the table, you post it here. We'll check the answers. Okay. Compare it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ronak.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one you are doing? Completed first
Ma'am,
table.
I have completed actually the top-down passing part. Now I am doing the table.
Top-down passing is not required.
Oh, ma'am,
That's
actually,
why I'm
I
giving an
was doing
explanation.
that
That question I
example.
have asked you in your T2. So that same question, I am giving for to do it in CKY. No need to do top down directly. All the questions, no need to do top down or bottom up. Directly, you can use CKY with 4 questions. What I have given for CKY. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'm working on CKY then.
Okay, do it. At least you're responding, right? That will be
Madam, Madam
Hi,
Ganesh
Ashley.
Sattvic table drawing.
Pupa. Ganesh, when I am calling, you will not respond. Now everybody is telling my mic
Fine.
is not working. My network is not there.
Ma'am, fine, ma'am.
Ganesh, after you finish first question, you post it. Then only I'll give attendance for today.
Yes, ma'am.
Post it in the screen. Now his time is 10:06. Before 10:20, if you post, I will allow you for tomorrow's class.
Okay, ma'am.
15 minutes is there from now to finish off this question. Already I have given 15 minutes. Half an hour, one question only I am asking. I am not asking all 5 questions. Already I have given 5 questions. 4 in the Word file, 1 I have posted separately. Do it fast. First, repeated first question. No one.
Ma'am, can I get a confirmation with the first question? I'm getting 4 pass sheets, ma'am.
I don't know. You post it here. We'll check it out. I gave random some CFG, some word for your, so that it's a discussion hour, right? We can discuss what others are getting, whether you made a mistake or others, if some 2, 3. Everybody is getting 4 parts trees. How many parts trees you are getting for the first one? Nobody completed, still. Vishnu.
Ma'am, I just finished it. I got only 1 parse tree.
One only, because this is last time also you have discussed. One only, mostly we'll get it. Try Papna Vikas. 4 you will not get for this.
Ma'am, that's what I'm checking in the table, ma'am.
4 is not there. Only 1. This is which we have discussed in the last semester also in the class.
Okay, ma'am. I'll recheck it.
We cannot have 4 different combination for the sentence, right? Different way of interpretations. What is the 4 ways you are interpreting? Somewhere you would have made a mistake. Already, I think the given grammar is in CNF, right? Or anything you have to modify to CNF?
No, ma'am, it's insane.
Anybody else who has done first one? Pranati, Vaishnavi, Krishna Pranav.
I'm still doing it, ma'am.
First one, why so much time you people are taking that? How many words are there? Kite, flies, like, and sparrow. 5 words only, right? Okay, do it. At least do when you are doing also don't make a mistake in between. If you make a mistake, then entire thing will be wrong. See, in first box itself, if you make a mistake based on that, you'll be comparing others. And if you're not getting S also, don't get tensed. If you are done properly without any errors, if you're not getting S in the final box, what it mean?
The sentence is not grammatical, ma'am.
Very good. The sentence is not grammatical. So don't get tensed. I am not getting even a single S in the last box. If you are done proper steps properly, sometimes the sentence may not be a grammatical sentence for the given grammar. So that time you will not get S. It is not that every time you have to get one S at least. Vishnu, can you post your answers here, man? So that others let them check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yours may be wrong, others may be wrong. What, pa?
I'm drawing the parts tree, ma'am. I'll
Okay.
post it with
After
the part.
drawing, you post it here in the post section itself.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
At least one question we'll compare here and we'll check it. Remaining 4 questions, even if you can't able to do, keep it. Whenever you have a time, do it. Otherwise, after finishing semantics, I'll give one more class so that I'll make you 2. Okay.
Ma'am, for the first question, I complete table and the pass sheet. Can I post to do school?
Wait. Let others also let them post it. You can compare and check it out. Okay. Ganesh Hatvik, what something? Ganesh Hatvik, whatever you want, don't message me, man. You posted the answers. Ganesh Hatvik.
Drawing the table has been over, ma'am. I posted it personally.
What you posted?
I send you personally, ma'am.
I don't want personal anything. Okay, everything should be this one given known to all. I don't want any personal communications among all 103. I am also added 104. Everyone are there together only. I am not a separate one personally known. I am one among the 103. That's all. You post it here itself.
Yes, ma'am. I posted, ma'am.
Okay. There is no confidentiality between you and me. Everything is open. I am also among one among you only. If you post it here only, I can check and I can discuss with others and discuss. How many parts trees you got, Ganesh? How many parts tree you get it, Ganesh? Please respond, man. Ganesh Hatvik. I can't able to hear you anything.
Still drawing parts tree, ma'am. Hello?
I can't able to hear you, man.
Hello, madam. Still drawing parts tree, ma'am.
Okay. No, how many yes you got it in the table?
One, ma'am.
1. So there are 2-3 parts trees already which is posted in the post section. Whatever you have drawn, compare and tell me which one it is matching with you. Which one is correct? Vikas, you can check with the others what they have posted. Satvik has posted, Vishnu has posted, okay? And find out where you made a mistake.
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am. I also got the only one pass sheet. I just did a one mistake in the initial box.
Then how you initially got 4 parts trees?
Initially, I did one mistake in the first
That's right.
second
Initially,
box.
if you make a mistake, then entire thing will be wrong. Okay, so you should be very careful. Okay, fine. Start doing the second one, which I have posted in the post section. Students, once you got the answers, you check. This is how your answer should be with a proper explanation. Satvik, you cannot put only the table like this, man. You have drawn a table, you got NPVP and all. Where is that somebody has drawn and they are given to you, you have posted there. Where is the explanation, Satvik? If you are done by yourself, there should be an explanation, right?
Ma'am, I told ma'am, still doing now, ma'am.
No, what still doing? Your completed table means where is the explanation for the table? If you see, students, you see whatever Satvik has posted, if you write like this in the exam, it's a 10-mark question, I am going to give only 1 mark. Simply, you can randomly fill dash, VP, NP. I don't know how you got that. I want you a proper explanation. I told in the class, after that also, you people are writing like this, I can't help you out. You told Satvik you are drawing a tree. Where is the explanation for the table? You have done a table means there should be some explanation.
Ma'am, I directly drawn, ma'am, that one.
Directly, you should not draw. That is the thing I have given an instruction before giving the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Pranati completed first one. Sai Pranati, Navya, Meghana Rao completed first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Got the same tree.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Meghana Rao
Yes, ma'am. Even I completed.
completed. Got the same tree.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ronak
Yes, ma'am.
completed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. First one is done.
Okay. Okay. Fathers. Time now we can leave. The remaining questions, whenever you have a time, you solve it. Okay. And I'll spend one more class, not tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll start with the next chapter called semantics. So syntax is over here. The syntax PPT I have already uploaded in the files, but I have given some slide number only till PCFG is there in your portions. Okay. In your syllabus. So only till that slide you can take it off in the parsing. Okay. Next we will move on to semantics chapter tomorrow. After finishing semantics, because we have to conduct quiz, we want to finish off some portions. Then I'll give one more day time so that in that class we can discuss the answers. Solve it and keep it with you. We can discuss the answers for the remaining 4. Okay. Or if you can't find time also, in that class you can solve and there only directly we can discuss. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we leave now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you
Thank you.
have time in between, try to do it so that we can